So welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about how you can find niches, best niches within 10 minutes and for your blogs on website. So here I will use two methods, and both methods are absolutely free. The first one is we will use Google Trends, and the next one is we will use expireddomains.net website. We will use both methods, and I will share with you that how you can find your niche within 10 minutes. So let's suppose I am going to go to Google Trends. You will just write Google trends.google.com on Google, and you will find free Google tool over here. So let's suppose I will write something on search bar, right, like cats training. Okay, so cats training. Okay, so after that you can see over here that the graph is going, the spikes are up and down. So we will simply select some country, like most of the cases we will use United States, or even you can use worldwide. Okay, so I will click over here on worldwide. So here you can see on this particular tool from Google, by Google, you can see here is the option of compare. So I will write over here dogs training as well. So we will compare both of them, that which type of content is more popular and which type of niche we can adopt for this. This is the random example you will find according to your desire. Okay, so just the random example, I have just giving the command of cats training and dogs training, the comparison, and here you can see the results of the dogs training results are high, better than cats training. And after that you will just need to go down, and you will see the first country that are searching for dogs and cats: Philippines, India, Australia, Brazil, and Canada. And here we will see the related queries. So here, how long do cats live, and indoor versus outdoor cats training classes, training con. So here you will find the idea, and you will get the idea that how you can do a niche research for your blog site. Here the second method I will discuss in this video, but first of all we will find the second one, the related Adsense dog international pet finder, and here you can see the list and the regions as well. Canada search interest over here, and here you can see the percentage, 200+% or 120%, depending on the region, area, country. Australia, search intent, Canada. So here you will simply find your niche, and even you can check that which type of topic and niche is popular for some specific country as well. So if you are starting a new blog, here I will recommend you. So if you are absolutely new for blogging, so I will recommend to buy hosting from Hostinger. So, and you can get up to 75% off web hosting over here, and you can see the plans over here. That is super cool, save 75%. And here you can see what they are giving: 100 websites, free email, unlimited free SSL. There are too much things Hostinger is giving you, and but I will prefer to buy this one for your new. If you are really interested to do blogging, you will simply go here. You can create 100 websites, free emails, unlimited SSL. You can get free domain for the worth of value of $10. So that is super cool. I will give you the link in description. Simply click over the link, and you can simply avail this chance. So guys, I will move to the second method over here, that you will go to the website called expireddomains.net. Don't worry, I will give you that how. I will show you that how you can easily sign in for this website. You will simply go to their website and click over here on sign up. You will give this username, password, repeat password, email address, click on the sign up free. That's it, your account will be created. So I have already created an account, so I will log in. Guys, after that you will get this type of dashboard. Don't worry, I will explain you each and everything how you will find your niche. Here you will see that this type of interface and dashboard appearing right now in your at your screen. So after that you will click over here on deleted.com, and then you will see over here there are a lot of plenty of niches are appearing over here, or small cap advisory, Sense Paradise. So here there are plenty of niches and ideas you can get from this website. And after that you can click over here, search filter, and here according to your blog site, like if you are creating your website related to affiliate website, so you will simply definitely you will target the keywords like best, buy, or something like this, best or buy. So after that you will just simply, or if you are creating your you want to create your informational blog, so simply you will write like how to, okay, or learn something, or like starting with learn. So this type of keywords and phrases you can use like that. I will click over here like best. Here you can see about 5,696 domains, expired domains over here, but we have no concern with expired domain. We have to concern that how we can get idea related to niches, right? So here you can see bunch of domains over here and bunch of niches ideas over here. So we will click over here, I will click over here again, and I will write over here learn. So here we will see for the informational blog like this. Okay, so here you can see there are a lot of niches in front of you. Like there are, you will just need to find something you can easily find within 10 minutes, and then you can start making blog for this and start making money online easily. So these two are the methods that I have shared with you. Hope this video will become very helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. So till now, take care and goodbye.